This is actually the way to go to the artist alley. We are all set up. What is going on here?
Alright, we just arrived at Wasabi Con and now we start setting up.
This is actually the way to go to the artist alley from the exhibitor hall. And you can see people have been calling this the stabbing alley because it's so like scary. But yeah, it's all my luggage, and there's also a big luggage that we're waiting for. We are all set up. Look at this. It's so cute, you guys. These are some of the hoodies I'm bringing to the show. We have the boba one, which is really popular. The anxious but fabulous is also popular as well. Drink water or else, no sauce can empty. This is also the first time I'm bringing a gashapon machine. So it's $5 and you can win a sticker, magnet, keychain, or a mini art print, which is over here. But yeah, so far people have been spending $20 minimum to get one spin, which I think is a pretty good value, because at the minimum you get a sticker or a magnet, which is already $4 each, or you can get an art print, which is like $7. These are mystery box. You can get 3 random stickers and it's for a discount, so you get like a 10% discount, and they're very cute. We have a price list in the back just in case we forget. Some mystery boxes, stickers. We also have a huge binder of stickers, so many. Some cash, packaging, square reader, and some free stickers. Okay, we just opened at Wasabi Con, so hopefully it will be a good one. This is the exhibitor hall. You can see it's way nicer than the artist alley. Okay, we are about an hour and 15 minutes into the convention, and this is how much I've made. Okay, so we sold 3115 stickers and 3 mystery bags. We'll see how it goes, but right now it's kind of slow. So these are the free stickers that we give away, and now I need to write down our booth number so that people know where to come back if they like remember they have to buy something from us. It's 3:30 and I think Artist Alley will close at 7 p.m. today, so there's about like 3 hours and a half. So we'll see how the rest of the convention goes. Also, our neighbor didn't show up, and they told me that I got the last Artist Alley spot. So yeah, this is the Artist Alley. What is going on? Of course, their escalator is out of order. Yay! And you just gotta walk these tiny escalator. Day 2 of Wasabi Con has started, and it's really crazy because we just started the day and we sold 3 hoodies. That's insane, and each one is like $45 each. I think it was because like the outside is kind of chilly right now, so people need like an extra hoodie and they didn't bring one. And I also sneak out to get some lunch. This is like $10, I believe. This is the Portlandia poke bowl, or you can get it as a sushi burrito as well. It looks really good. We are about 30 minutes to closing Wasabi Con, and as you can see, we have sold the hoodies. I think 3 of them, so now we only have 3 left, which is really surprising because I didn't think we'd be selling hoodies, but the weather has gone a lot colder, so that was really good for the hoodies. Footage of the artist alley in the freaking parking garage. So we just started packing up, and this is all of our luggage and my stickers. We don't even take this down because it's such a pain to like put it together. So we managed to put all of this in our car, which is really nice. So we're hella tired, but we're gonna get some food before we drive back to Seattle. Okay, let's recap the event. After 4 hours of driving, we're now back to Seattle, and I can have time to discuss the event. So overall, I thought it was really disorganized and also kind of misleading. So about 2 weeks before the events happened, they told me, well, not me, but they told the other artists that they have 7 open spots in the artist alley, which I should have taken it as a red flag. But once I got to the event, and they said, you know, it was because the cosplay judges didn't want to sit in the artist alley, and that's why these spots were open. So I actually applied on Friday and got accepted on Friday, and the event was on Saturday. So you can see how last minute it was. And they didn't tell me that the artist alley would be in the garage until I have arrived in Portland. As you can see, the load-in dock was also blocked by the hotel truck and a dumpster, so a lot of people just have trouble bringing their stuff to the artist alley. I think the organizers don't know what they're doing, and they were just figuring things out last minute. And about 2 hours before the events ended, they go around and tell us how we're gonna load out, which seems like super last minute. Overall, the artists were just like, I feel like everyone was angry. A lot of people feel lightheaded after the show. Some people got COVID because of like, you know, low air ventilation in the area. Many people said like the AC didn't hit where they sit, so it was really hot and stuffy. And overall, the foot traffic was super low. I feel like a lot of attendees didn't even know that there was like an artist alley, and they go around the exhibitor hall thinking that was like everything. I make less in 2 days here than I can make in 1 day at other events. So that was not good. Plus, I have to pay for hotel, parking, and there's also mileage and all that time, you know, spending driving to Portland. The venue was also at a strange area, so it was in downtown Portland, but it was only like a couple blocks away from like a zombie apocalypse. So you can see like there were just people tweaking on the streets and a lot of homeless, and it was just overall sketchy. We stayed at the Society Hotel downtown Portland, and when I asked them what would be like a good parking garage, like a safe one, they told me to go to like Smart Park or something, and I looked it up on the map. It was like so far away. I'm like, what is this, like the only one you can recommend? And they're like, yeah. Artists are really mad, and needless to say, we have disputed the charge. It was $240 boost fee with the bank, and thankfully I think most of us or all of us have got our money back, so that was good. And then after the event, we also commented on like the Instagram page. We were just talking about our experience and how they should have like treated artists better. But they deleted all our comments, and then they made this post saying everyone should email them and give them feedback. Okay, for what? So we're just gonna like email you to the void and like nothing would happen. I actually have emailed them, and that was like 5 days ago, and they still haven't responded to my email. I think they're just waiting for us to forget about our experience this past weekend, and then hopefully next year, new artists will just apply to Wasabi Con, not knowing what happened this past weekend. Yeah, it was not good at all. Will not be back. Don't go there. If you're an attendee, don't go there. Just not a good experience. When I had free time in the artist alley, I was looking up like their schedule and their paneling, and there was like nothing that I want to go to, and that says a lot because I love going to these events. So yeah, bye WasabiCon. Would not come back, would not recommend, 0 out of 10. I also want to add that some people have said that WasabiCon is actually NewCon rebranded. So I think back in the day, NewCon got a lot of negative feedback, and so they had to rebrand to get rid of like, all the negative feedback and reviews that people have written online. So I have not confirmed this news, but that was just what some artists were saying. So thank you for staying until the end and listen to my rant. If you thought that was helpful, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Anything will be great, just to let me know like if I should do this again. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.